Hey there, welcome to Meadow. This is a world where everything is part of an incredible virtual landscape. Here, our avatars aren't actually just figures. Behind them can be your colleagues who talk, interact, and even react with directional sound. It's actually all about making digital interaction feel a little bit more real and natural. Our brand new Meadow is your personal toolkit to launch and manage your own slice of the metaverse. You can subscribe, manage seats, choose from our theme worlds, set up your own space, and launch your own metaverse platform. Let's take a spin through one of our theme worlds. Each of them has its own character, feel, and gimmicks. Whether you want something sleek and professional, or maybe something fun and vibrant, you can choose the theme that works just right for you. Take this one for example, full with exciting areas like our café, a museum, an auditorium, meeting rooms, product showrooms, icebreaker areas, and even a fun little jet ski course with a leaderboard. Time for your annual presentation or team workshop? That's no problem. Throw in some live feeds, screen sharing, webcam action, and even some live Q&As with our stage modules. It makes a world of difference in how interactive everything can feel. So why not step into the future with Meadow? Start your journey into the metaverse now. Oh, and if you ever want to go bigger, like custom design or special features, our enterprise solutions are always there to help you make it happen.